I was lost without any direction. Had a line so many times, but I needed attention. No matter what I say, no matter my regrets, things still been said and done.
Hey friends, welcome back. I'm so excited to see you. Look at me with 2 videos in a row. Are you guys so proud of me? I'm so proud of me because let me tell you, this week was crazy busy with work. I have so many life updates for you guys. We have so much fun fall content in this video. I'm sharing my new fall rugs. This video is just packed. So if you're excited like I am, grab something to drink and let's get started. I also want to thank Ruggable for sponsoring today's video.
I have tried, yeah, to become better.
We are starting off today in the living room. We're just going to reset everything. It's just super messy because we were just having a cozy late start to our day. We homeschool, so I don't have to worry about sending the girls off to school or anything like that. And it's really exciting, you guys. This is our first fall where we are doing homeschool because we started homeschooling in January. So this has just been so nice to just kind of have an easy start into the school year. But I wanted to tell you, if you are new here, you probably are unaware of the fact that we have 2 Pomsky puppies. They will be 1 in December and they keep us on our toes. Potty training them and everything. It hasn't been a nightmare, but they have made a big mess. And it's just been so hard constantly having to carpet clean our rugs. That is where our new Ruggable is going to come in. I have a really good family friend. Her name is Stacy. She swears by her Ruggable rugs. So when I had the opportunity to partner with Ruggable, I jumped on it. So I am showing you how I am unboxing my new rugs. I'm going to show you how it matches all of the fall decor. And honestly, Ruggable makes it so easy. They send you really simple directions that you can either read or scan for videos and tutorials. And this did not take long at all. I actually started this the wrong way. I was thinking it was the black side, but no, mine has the extra cushion because our carpet in this area just really sucks. So I got the mat with the extra cushion, and you want the sticky side up first. You're going to line it up down at the bottom, and then you're just going to spread out your rug. It is honestly so easy. The directions will tell you you need 2 people, but I did it myself and it was fine. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to line the corners up to the edges, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to fold it so we can smooth it out, but you'll see all of that in just a second.
The clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do.
With the puppies, I no longer have to worry about them knocking over a drink that's sitting on the coffee table or having an accident, because with Ruggable, it is stain and spill resistant and machine washable. So I can just pull this top piece off, throw it in the wash, and it's good to go. I also love that this top piece is interchangeable. So you guys already know I love switching out my rugs for every season just to take my decor to another level. And now with Ruggable, it is going to be so much easier to just store this top piece in a closet. I don't know why I didn't think to try Ruggable sooner, because it is so hard trying to store 8x10 or 9x12 full-size rugs. But with this, like I said, I can throw it in a closet and it's good to go. I am so excited about Ruggable, and after having it for some time in my house now and enjoying it, I am so excited to share it with you guys. So make sure you check the link in my description box, Ashlei10, for 10% off your order. And I want to thank Ruggable for sponsoring today's video.
It's my fault, I messed it up and I should have treated you much better.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I am obsessed with this rug. I have been seeing Ruggables everywhere for the longest, and now I can see why they are so popular. I love the padding under it. It's just going to feel so plush, and I love the colors. You can see it's got some of the burgundy, the brown, and then of course my favorite color, black. I feel like all of those tones are exactly what I used in the garland. I love this rug, you guys. I think I would even pull this back out in January. It is just such a beautiful neutral. So many designers I've seen have this rug absolutely stunning. 10 out of 10 for me. You guys know that there's nothing I love more than to collaborate with amazing content creators in hopes that you find new people to follow, and today is no different. I want you to meet Tori Flores. Her content is seriously binge worthy, so cozy. She is doing an incredible bedroom fall decorating. I am so inspired. I can't wait to decorate my room after watching her video. So if you are not familiar with Tori, she is a married mom of twin girls. She has the cutest family. They just moved back into their home and she is completely redecorating, buying all new furniture. So if that is something you're into, make sure you head over to Tori's video, check her out, let her know Ashley sent you, and make sure you subscribe. And if you're here from Tori's channel, welcome. I'm so excited that you are here. My name is Ashley. I'm a married mom to 2 girls. We live in Michigan with my husband and our 2 puppies, and I am obsessed with seasonal decorating, especially Christmas. So if that's what you're into, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and stick around.
Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. Don't know what I should do. I wish you would be right here with me. I'm thinking of you, thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him.
I am so excited to share this life update with you guys. I have really found my second passion. YouTube is my first. I've been a hairstylist and makeup artist for like 16 years. I love my clients, but my true passion was when I started YouTube. I just love this community so much, and I hope I'm able to do this for a really long time. But when I started doing paid collaborations with brands, that was when I really unlocked my second passion, and I recently just became director of partnerships at this incredible brand. And you guys, this experience to just see YouTube behind the scenes on such a high level and be able to help creators get the money that they deserve when working with brands has been probably one of my favorite things to date. So life is crazy busy. I have like 4 jobs, but I'm so excited to share that with you guys. And because of that opportunity, it's really just going to keep my YouTube channel going even longer. I am going to quickly set up my runner for the kitchen. I had to have these matching because the way that my house is set up, being an open floor plan, when you're one side of the house all the way to the other, you can see the rugs from the kitchen to the living room. So of course I had to have them matching. This process was even easier because it's just the runner, and the dogs are loving this spot. Wait till you see how Blue just chooses this rug to sleep on every day. He's officially claimed it for himself.
Could wake up with him by my side. I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart.
wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget it.
Okay, I was looking for 2 different wreaths to go on my doors right here, one for the pantry, one for the basement, and I came across these, and although they don't match perfectly, they're more of a beautiful neutral fall decor. I am going to add a few accents of burgundy and a little bit more fall leaves just to give it the look that will make it more cohesive with my kitchen and living room since it's all open. So I wanted to show you guys what this looks like before, and then we're going to add some of the pieces in with a hot glue gun. So I figured we could do a little DIY, and then we will hang them on the doors.
It's almost like I can't stop.
I'm not sure if I mentioned earlier, these wreaths were $12 and they are from Dollar General. So the first thing I want to do is go through and remove this ribbon because it just doesn't match my decor. And then I'm going to take this other stem of fall florals from Dollar Tree and I'm just going to clip off what I need, and we're going to go through and hot glue everything in.
Can't stop, yeah, yeah. I always knew that this would happen, yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind.
Look how just adding in a few pops of the burgundy and orange really just help it tie in with the rest of the decor. I ended up skipping, look at that, isn't it so cute? I love the way this turned out. I ended up skipping the fall leaves because I couldn't find any that went well with the greenery that was already on the wreath. I also wanted to mention, I know so many of you are here for the recipes and for cooking. I apologize, life has just gotten so busy. I promise I will have some holiday recipes in some upcoming videos, so make sure you stick around so that you can check that out.
I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase.
These doors get so much use in my house, so I just want to quickly go through and wipe them down before we hang the new wreath.
Can't stop, yeah, yeah.
Do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking well I'm by
I love this tray from my last video, so cute, minimal, but the problem is I have so many fall colors going through my kitchen and living room that it just looked like it was missing something when you stand back and look at it all together. So we're going to add a few leaves in and a pumpkin, and it's just going to give it the perfect touch. I loved the way that that picture of flowers ended up looking by the window, so instead I had to come up with something new for this area. I took this vintage vase that I found when we were up north last year, threw in a stem from Hobby Lobby, took this vintage container and threw in some beautiful orange and white wooden pumpkins. I love all of the different textures, and we finished it off with a candle.
So that getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight, this or that. This or that. Evenings on the train or catch a morning flight.
Do you guys see what I was talking about? He loves this rug. It is all his, no one else's, and it is so adorable. I hope you guys loved today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also please check out Tori's video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.